Good morning, my dear children. Myself Kalyani Jadhav from Samarpan Gyan School and I am teaching in class of Junior KG. Children, today we are going to learn about in, out, more and less. So let's see what is the object in and out. In means inside and out means outside. So this is the object of in and out. Here one box is given and inside the box one ball is given. So this is in the box. And the second picture is the box is empty and the ball is out. This is in and this is out. So the ball is outside, so this is the out. Second picture is two cages given. And in one cage the birds inside the cage and the second picture is the birds outside from the cage. So this is in, the birds is in the cage and the second picture bird out of the cage. So this is the in and this is the out. Let's see what is the practice is given related to in and out. Look at the picture. Tick the cats that are in. Circle the cats that are out. Here some picture is given. So what we have to do? We have to tick the cat that are in and circle the cat that are out. So this cat are in the box. So we have to tick this. This cat also in the bag. So we have to tick this. This cat out from the home. So we have to circle this. This cat also out from the basket. So we have to circle this. This cat again in the basket. So we have to tick this. This cat also in the box. So we have to tick this. Like this you will do this. More and less. Here two lollipops is given and here so many lollipop is given. So this is the less and this is the more. So children, this lollipop more than this lollipop. So this is only two lollipop but this is more than two. So this is the more and this is the less. Here two jar is given and inside the jar cookies is given. So here one inside the jar so many cookies is given. So this is the more and this is less. So the jar is not full and this jar is full of cookies. So this is the more cookies and this is the less cookies. Here also so many cookies is given in the tray and here less cookies is given in the tray. So this is the less and this is the more. More means so many cookies. Here the boys hold less balloon and beside the boy so many balloons. So this is the more balloon and this is the less balloon. Less means come and more means ज़्यादा. So this is the less balloon and this is the more balloon. So let's see. We are going to see the activity about the less and more and reading the object with the more and less. The jar has more sweet. This is the more. The jar has less sweet. This is the less. The tray has more cookies. So many more. The tray has less cookies. Less. The box has more lollipops. So many. And the box has less lollipop. There are more balloons. So many balloons. More balloon. There are less balloon. This is the less balloon. Here practice is given. Tick the group that are more fruit. Here fruit is given. So what is the more fruit? We have to tick this. This is the less and this is the more. More means ज़्यादा. So we have to tick this. This is less and this is more. So which one more? So we have to tick this. This is the more. So we have to tick this. Circle the group that has less fruit. Here fruit is given. So what we have to do? We have to circle the group that are less. This is the more and this is the less. So we have to circle this. This is the more and this is the less. So we have to circle this pomegranate. Take the hand that show more fingers open and cross the hand that show less finger open in each set. What you have to do? Here finger is shown. So what we have to do? Tick the hand show more fingers. So this is the less and this is the more. So we have to tick this finger and we have to cross less finger. Here again this is the more and this is the less. So what we have to do? We have to tick the more finger and cross the less finger. This is less and this is more. So we have to tick the more finger and cross the less finger. Here less and more. So we have to tick the more finger and cross the less finger. Here less and this is more. So we have to cross the less finger and tick the more finger. This is also more and less. So we have to tick the more finger and cross the less finger. Like this you will do this.